So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write an article. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say write an article about, let's say, for example, green energy right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, you can see that I get an article right here, just like this. And this article right here is AI generated. So if I were to take it onto any AI detection application, then it'll actually go around and then detect it out. So let's say what I want to do is I want to humanize this particular article right here. In that case, what you can do is you can simply go around and copy this out right here. And one of the humanizer GPTs that you can use is in Explore GPT right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around, and under writing, you can see that AI Humanizer Pro is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, you can go around and start the chat right here. And now I'm simply going to go around and then paste this out right here. Paste this article and then click on send. So once I do that, the AI Humanizer Pro will be able to go around and start the action right here. But you will need to do certain things. So you can see that it is starting action. So you need to go around and wait for a while right here, just like this. And now you can see that it asks you to sign in right here. So I need to go around and sign in with a bypass GPT right here, just like this. So let's just go around and then go around right here, just like this. And then this is what you have. So you can see that it is loading. And now it says continue with Google. So let's just go around and continue out with Google right here and utilize my Google account. And I'm going to go around and click on continue right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around and continue out right here once I sign in. So now it gets back to ChatGPT, as you can see, and I need to confirm to send the data to bypass GPT right here. And now it says talking to bypass GPT, and in a while it'll start the humanizing process. So now you can see that it started to actually go around and write the content right here. So if I were to go around onto the top, it says, as a global community grapples with the pressing challenge of climate change right here. So it says, while the world struggles to deal with impending disasters of climate change, environmental degradation, and the depletion of natural resources, green energy appears to offer. So you can see that it changes out the word structure right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it simply goes around and creates some more humanized text. So that is how you can go around and utilize AI Humanizer Pro ChatGPT plugin inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.